Alright, I'm about to chug a whole can of Pepper Jack Easy Cheese.
What's your name?
Malcolm Stires Breed.
Did you kill it yet? How's that taste, buddy?
Good stuff.
You fat bastard.
What's he saying?
No. Is he not one of the fattest people you've ever seen?
Yeah, baby. I'm gonna pop it on out.
Hear that noise? That's the sound of success.
That is disgusting.
All gone?
Hold on.
It's all gone.
I'm pretty proud of that.
And it was?
Great.